Hello everyone, today I will be explaining how to graph the equation of a line on a Cartesian plane. So first, what is the equation of a line? So the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b, and in some countries y equals mx plus c, they mean the same thing. So what are each of the parts? Well, x and y are on the x-axis and the y-axis. So this vertical line is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. Then the m is the slope. So what is the slope? Well, actually the slope is just the rise over r. So if that did not make much sense, you do not worry, because you also need to know what b means. So in this equation, y equals mx plus b. B is the y-intercept. So what that means is, in the equation, if you're solving it algebraically, if you set x to 0, m will be 0. Then you say y equals b. So then the y, so 0 comma something. So let's just say the y coordinate for this same line is 2, the y-intercept. Then it would be y equals 2x plus 2, because it starts out here on the y-axis. It goes up 2 each time you go 1 to the right. So that's pretty simple. So let's look at some more examples, because this can get pretty confusing if you're new to this topic. So now that we know what each part of the equation means, we can go y equals 0.5x minus 3. So even though this is a negative and this is a decimal, it's the same thing. 0.5 equals 1 over 2. So let's put it in that form to make it easier. And then negative 3 plus negative 3. So then you're going to go here and put your point here. So if it's 1/2 slope, for every 1 you go, it's rise over run. For every 1 you go, you're going to go 2 this way, like this, and then you can extend the line however you want. So I'm just going to go like this, and then we can put the line ends. Because whenever you're drawing a line, it actually goes on infinitely, not just these small amounts. So you always do want to have the arrows on the end. So another example. So we're going to do y equals 1 over 3x plus 5. Okay, so that looks really hard because it's also fractions, but in actuality you put this on 5, then you go the slope of 1/3, so like this, and then you move this up to here. Perfect. And then you move it up to 5, like so. Then, as I said earlier, you get your line ends. So this is how you graph the equation of a line on a Cartesian plane. So if you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe, maybe comment on what other topics you'd like me to explain.